This puzzle was designed and made by Creative Craft House in the United States. Difficulty level of the Gambler's Puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame. The Gambler's Puzzle comes with a box with a lid. Actually, there is a tray with parts and a lid. You can close it once the puzzle is solved so that you don't lose any of the parts. The puzzle comes assembled, and you may think that it will be very easy to solve it since you can already see the solution. But once you remove all the parts from the frame, you will see that it is not as easy. You can put like parts inside, but you have to find a correct spot for each and every piece, and only then you will be able to solve the puzzle. Like I put only this many parts and I already don't have enough space to fit all of them. Like there are small spaces here and there, but there are plenty of parts left and I don't know how to fit them inside the frame. So it will be quite a challenge to put everything back inside the frame. If you like the Gambler's Puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.